In summer, especially in warm Mediterranean, tropical or subtropical climate zones, those who live in cities and have balconies as the green oasis, the plants there get exposed to strong, intense sunlight. But with our 6 balcony garden tips, you can cope the summer heat and grow plants easily. Tip 1. If you have a south or west-facing balcony, it's best to grow sun-loving plants as they can tolerate the long sunny hours and heat. Tip 2. In hot summer, water your container plants deeply. Water in the early morning. It is important that you never water your plants in direct and intense sunlight after the morning because it could result in burns and increase the humidity for the plants. If necessary, water some of your moisture-loving plants twice a day, but avoid waterlogged soil. Tip 3. If you live in Zone 10 or 11 or any other tropical part of the world, and if your balcony is exposed to the day-long sun, the chances are that water of most of your potted plants evaporates much faster, especially if you have clay or terracotta pots. You can wrap a wet cloth on these pots to counter this. Also, cover the soil with pebbles to reduce evaporation. Tip 4. In extreme sunlight, cover the balcony by an awning, parasol, or shade cloth to provide shade in hottest hours. Tip 5. Those plants who are suffering from heat and are affected seriously must be moved from their previous sunny position and significantly cut back and pruned. After that, keep them in a better position in partial shade. Tip 6. Adding water-retaining granules in a pot is also a good idea. They retain the moisture and provide a perfect moisture balance to plants in summer. Found this video helpful? Make sure you like the video and subscribe.